Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Exodus crypto wallet. Exodus wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet where you will be able to store your cryptocurrencies easily and securely. To create your wallet, you will need to first download Exodus app on your device. After it's been downloaded, you can open it up, and then in the app you will see two options: to get started or I already have an account. If you already have an account of Exodus, you can go ahead and tap in I already have an account. If not, then tap on get started. After that's done, you will be logged into the app of Exodus. From here you need to back up your wallet. If you back up your wallet, then you will be able to restore your wallet from any other device or will be able to access it easily. Tap on backup your phrase. Now here you will see a 12-word phrase which you will need to store it and keep it in a secure place, and you should not share this phrase with anyone. To reveal your phrase, you'll need to press and hold it. Now you'll need to type these phrases somewhere. You cannot screenshot it because it will not show the screenshot. Now in order to store your phrases, you need to manually type it somewhere. After you type in your phrases, you can click on done. Now it says here you will need to select the 10th word of the phrase, and just like that you have created your Exodus wallet. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.